Buying the Zeus Fifth Wheel Hitch was a great choice. Between the lightweight, the high towing capacity, and the lifetime warranty, we know you'll be happy with your purchase. Now that you have it, let's run down how to install the Zeus. First, take the hitch out of the box and slide it down into the industry standard bed rails. Next, install the 4 bent pins connecting the hitch to the bed rails. After that, secure the bent pins with the cotter pin clips. Now comes the critical step in determining where you want the ball installed on the hitch. Improper ball placement could result in damage to the truck or the fifth wheel. To calculate the correct ball placement, start by measuring the width of your trailer and dividing that number in half. The resulting measurement is the minimum distance between the cab and where the ball should be placed. Be sure to place the ball where you get a good ride and can turn the truck a full 90 degrees. Next, install the kingpin adapter onto the kingpin on your fifth wheel. The bolts should be tightened to 85 pounds of torque. Now you can align the fifth wheel over the ball and lower it into place. You should hear a click when the latch engages, and you'll see the handle bounce, showing the ball is positioned properly. Connect your electrical, your safety chains, and your breakaway device. Before you go, you should take a test run and carefully make some turns. This test will allow you to ensure the fifth wheel can turn to your satisfaction without hitting the truck. If you are not satisfied, you can easily reposition the ball. When unhooking, just pull back on the lever on the kingpin adapter and raise the fifth wheel off the ball. There is no need to remove the kingpin adapter from the fifth wheel. Be sure to unhook safety chains, electrical, and the breakaway device. That covers hooking up and unhooking your Zeus, the last fifth wheel hitch you'll ever need. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. We stand ready to help you.